What is going on YouTube? Hacker007 here. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do the eye wallpaper trend, which has been trending on TikTok for some time. So for this, you need to use Instagram to create this effect. So what you need to do is to simply have an image of your eye, or an image which you could zoom into your eye. And let's get right into it. So first things first, you need to go to your story. Then you need to select the image which you'd want to work with. So after you've selected the image, you need to select the three dots in the top right, and you need to select the draw tool. So now what you'd want to do is to simply select 3 different colors or 4. It all depends on what you'd want to do. So you could select various colors from your eye. You could select a dark color and then light colors, and then you'd simply make a little drawing on the eye. So now let's do that once more. So you need to select another color, well, something lighter than the one before. So let's say this one. Okay, so you'd have a color which is lighter, and then you'd select the last color. Select one which is lighter than both of these colors. So let me try and find one which is lighter. Right, that seems pretty light. Okay, good. So after you've selected all your colors, you would need to save this image. Okay, so the photo has been saved. So what you need to do next is to go back, discard all of this. So now you need to select the image which we did the eye color on. So this step might be a little tricky, so pay keen attention. So from here, you need to select the draw tool again, select the color selection, and select the darkest color. So now you long press anywhere on the screen, and it will create this kind of background effect for you to use. So let's click on done, and let's save this as our first image. We'll repeat the process for the next 2 colors. So let's go back, discard all changes, and let's select the original image. So once more, select the 3 dots, select draw, the color selection tool, move it down to the second color, and then you simply need to long press on your image. Click on done, and let's save this again. So lastly, we would need to use the third color. So let's select draw, the color selection tool, and then simply long press on your screen and click on done, and let's save this final image. So let's go back and discard all changes. So from here, what you need to do is to simply select the darkest color. So let's select the darkest color. This will be our base background. So next, you need to use this sticker, and then you need to add images. So you need to use the sticker, then let's add the lightest image, and then you simply tap until it forms the heart shape. You could zoom out, and then just align the image to this center. Okay, good. So now let's add another sticker, and let's select the color after that one. So it would be this middle color. Let's just tap until it forms the heart shape. Let's zoom, and remember, you can do as many layers as you'd like. For the purpose of this video, I will just be doing a few layers. So ensure that it is properly aligned. Select, add more image. So now we're at the darkest image, and we will do, for the sake of this video, we'll do 2 layers. So let's add that to the center. Go again, then the lightest one, and it is pretty simple to do. Okay, well, this is just for the sake of this video, so you could do it with a bit more perfection that I'm doing right now. Okay, so let's move that one there, and let's add the last one. Let's reduce the size and just put it in the center. So as I've said, you could take more time to do this, and after you finish, you'd simply click on the three dots and save. So now you are free to use this image as your wallpaper. So if this tutorial was helpful, please leave a like and a comment if you need any clarifications or corrections on what to do. So thank you guys for watching. Hacker 007 out.